Meaning of gluttony.
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 Gluttony. Gluttony is the act of excessive or overindulgent consumption of food or drink. It is a behavior that often stems from a lack of self-control and can lead to health problems such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. In addition to physical consequences, gluttony can also have negative social impacts, such as causing embarrassment or isolation. The consequences of gluttony extend beyond just the individual engaging in the behavior and can affect their family, friends, and community. It is important to practice moderation and discipline when it comes to food and drink consumption to maintain overall health and well-being.